U.S. Army to start using mini-drones for the first time. For the first time, U.S. soldiers will bring into action the pocket-sized drones at the troop level on their approaching stationing in Afghanistan. The troops with the 82nd Airborne Division will be the first infantry Army battalion to employ these pocket-sized drones. The troops with the division's 3rd Brigade Combat Team were allotted Black Hornet personal reconnaissance system this spring and provided training on how to operate the drones, which resemble miniature helicopters. The Army first bought Black Hornets, made by the famous Oregon-based FLIR Systems Inc., for testing with Special Forces units in 2016. The mini-drone can be deployed in less than 1 minute and has a range of over a mile. The deal would give the Army about 9,000 systems, each with 2 drones. According to FLIR spokesman Joe Alinger Jr., the fundamental design of a Black Hornet system includes 1 drone for the night and 1 for the day, a display about the size of a tablet computer, and a base station that connects to a handheld controller, but it varies from customer to customer. The 1st Security Force Assistance Brigade, which was deployed to Afghanistan in 2018, is set to become the 2nd Army unit to be given Black Hornet mini-drones later this year.